Hi, good morning. We are going to discuss about request and getting response from API using Postman. So today we are going to use online platform APIs. So that platform name is Request. So in this Request API, we have multiple request and response. So we have used multiple methods like get, put, post, patch, delete. So we are going to process all this APIs. So we are going to give request to our server and getting a response on Postman. So today we are going to discuss on this particular topic. So on this video we are focusing on get, and next video we are going to focusing on put, post, all this. So now we are currently focusing on get. Okay. So first get is my request is this link and response is this. So while giving this request to our server, it should respond as a status of 200 and give the response of the current JSON file. Okay, so we can do it in Postman. Okay, so this is my initial request. So basically, this site link is an initial request, and we are processing this API request on this initial process. So based on this, we are going to select. Okay, we are going to copy it and we are going to paste. So here we have page 2. So on the params, you can see that it is added as page 2. So the additional features of this API will be added, like page 1, page 2, or delay 1, delay 2. So we will see all this. So params will have the additional API request, which is page 2 or page 3, all this. And header files. So once we can send this API and we get the API, get the response from the server, and we will see what is header and body. Okay. So here is my status. So 200. And my current status is also 200. You can see here. And all the responses page 2, 6, and data ID, Michael. So you can say this, see this also page 2, 6, 12, Michael. So my response is clear. But here we can see that no body is requested, right? So no body is requested. So it should not allow body. So for an example, for post mapping. So we have a body. Okay, we have body to give the response. But on get mapping, we don't want to give any body. It should not allow body. Okay, it may or may not give our body, but on our current scenario, it should not allow body, right? So it should not allow body. So we are going to give some body tag. So like page 22. So while I'm sending this request, it should not respond, right? But it responds. So it is a bug in API. So we want to tell our developer team to correct this. So what is header here? So header is nothing but API supporting files like JSON file. All these files will be created while calling this current API. So this is header and this is body. And we can try another get API. So like this thing. So we are going to get this API. So we are processing. So we can see that data into Janet, viewer, all this has been gathered. So here also we don't give any body type. So here no need of body. But while giving the body also it gives response. So this is also a bug. So main feature of body in Git is we may or may not give body. But on our current scenario, on our current API call, it is not mandatory to, it is not allowing to give a body. But on our Postman server, it allows body, it is a bug. So we can call another API like it's a 404 error. So we can give this. So it's a 404 not found error and it is it doesn't contain any data. So as I said, even though we don't want to give, they didn't mention to give any data on our Bora body, but even though it gives a result. So it is a bug in a AVI code. Okay, so we will see another kit and so delayed. So delayed response. So we have a delayed response here. So it is a 200 response, but in this API link we have delay request, right? So in this delay request, if you see on params, so our response is correct. 126 jars bullet. So we can see that. In params, we have delay value. So additional feature. So till this, it will call a user API. After that, delay equals to 3 is an additional API that forwarded to the params. This is get API. Thank you so much.